NABSHOW in Las Vegas.
Hi, I'm Ashley Blankenship with InBroadcast. We're here at the 2016 NABSHOW in Las Vegas. Joining me is Bram Desmet from Flanders Scientific. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Could you tell us a little bit about Flanders Scientific?
Yeah, so Flanders Scientific is really focused on professional displays. That's been kind of our bread and butter business for at least the last 8 or 9 years. And now we're getting into some new products that are kind of related to that. We have, for example, new Lovebox, and we're getting into some new display types like 4K displays, some HDR displays. So that's kind of been our focus for this year so far.
So is that what's being highlighted here at the NABSHOW?
Yeah, so the kind of biggest product announcement for us is actually kind of a new product category. So we have Boxio. So Boxio is a series of Loveboxes. We have the top-of-line Boxio, which is capable of 4K P30 support, and you can actually gang 2 Boxios together for 4K P60 support. And what these Loveboxes allow you to do is either use them in post-production to calibrate displays, or you can use them on set to do things like live grading. And they're pretty advanced for live grading applications because you can actually do advanced features like frame grabs. You can pull time code and metadata information. So it's a really sophisticated device for those applications. And we also have 2 other models, a little bit less expensive. So we have the Boxio Light SDI, which instead of having 2 in and 2 out, it's 1 input with 2 outputs. They can each have independent LUTs, so you can calibrate 2 downstream displays. Or what you can do is you can use it in a live grading environment to send different LUTs to different locations on set. And then our most basic box is the Boxio Light DP, and that's DisplayPort out, and so that's going to support HDMI and DVI devices. And what we see that being used for primarily is for post-production calibration of client monitors, because we realize as much as we'd like people to buy nothing but professional monitors in a lot of applications, they're only going to buy a client monitor, and they want that client monitor to be as close as possible so that they have something accurate for the clients to see while they are still using an accurate reference monitor for their colorist or editor.
Right. So which territories do you think will show particular interest in this?
The Boxio has already been hugely popular with DITs worldwide, and then the other thing is in post-production. This is actually one of the first kind of affordable 4K capable Loveboxes, so we see a lot of people interested in using this for calibration of 4K displays in post-production, and there's a huge demand for that just about everywhere. And then aside from that, we have the new DM170, which is our nice 17-inch monitor, so all the same features as our flagship DM250 monitor, real-time live grade support as well. It integrates with a new with QTake, which is another program, and we have a few other partners that will integrate with the DM170. It's a 99% DCI-P3 coverage monitor, 1400:1 contrast, very light 16.5-inch monitor, great for on-set use. So we think that's going to become our new kind of production workhorse. Just a real popular little monitor. So
that being said, you have so many things right now, but in the future, what can we expect to see? Are you allowed to talk about any of that?
Yeah, sure. So we're looking at some larger displays. 55-inch is kind of our next goal. So we're looking at some UHD monitors in that size. We're looking at some HDR capable monitors in that size. Don't have exact release dates on that. But one of the things that we're doing at the stand at this show is we're showing our first 4K prototype. So we have a 31-inch 4K prototype, and what that highlights is the back-end processing system, which is the same that will be used on the larger monitors. And the 31-inch in itself is going to be a popular unit for production uses to be able to use that on set for true 4K monitoring of 4K cameras on set.
So if people want to know more about the company, where can they go? Is there a website?
Yeah, just go to flandersscientific.com. You'll see all of our information there, lots of videos, menu simulators, so you can really get to know our products. And then, of course, you're always welcome to just call or email us.
Wonderful. So everyone will have to check that out. Thank you so much for talking to us,
No
Bram.
problem. Thank you very much.
I'm Ashley Blankenship with InBroadcast.